So folks, in this video, I'll show you how to replace the cartridge on the Dymo Rhino 4200. And this process pretty much applies to most Dymo Rhino label makers. And the first step to doing that is to open this door on the back. So use that tab to push up and open the door. And to remove the cartridge, I'm going to place my fingers into these two recesses in here and then pull the cartridge out. And then we're going to install the new cartridge. And I'm installing the black on white permanent vinyl version of the sticker. And this is the 1/2" version. Now there are so many versions of labels for this printer. And I'll leave a couple of examples right below the video. So feel free to check those out. And to install it, it's super simple. We're going to place it with the label facing us and with that little embossed Dymo logo to the left. Align it in that slot, and then push down till it installs. And then we're going to close this door. And anytime you install a new cartridge, you want to power it on. And when you power it on, it'll ask you the label width of the new cartridge installed. In my case, I'm installing a 12mm cartridge, just like the one I replaced. And I'm going to hit OK. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was useful. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. And please also consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.